if it gets into a flock, the whole flock needs to be destroyed.
As more birds migrate to Alberta for the spring, some carry an unwelcome trait. H5N1, a strain of the avian flu, is on the rise across the province, and conservationists are urging Albertans to do what they can to limit the spread.
It's fairly recent that this H5N1 strain of avian flu got into North America. It hit the east coast of the United States and just spread right on across.
Mark Boyce, chair in Fisheries and Wildlife for the Alberta Conservation Association, says it's mainly water birds like ducks and geese that are responsible for carrying the strain into Alberta.
It doesn't take very long. Once they contract the disease, they're dead within 2 or 3 days, typically.
Bird feeders can also be a haven for disease, and he recommends putting them away for the season, but says it's not songbirds that are at the greatest risk. Boyce says it's mainly water birds and fowl with similar genetics to chickens that are contracting the virus. For those hoping to house some chickens in their backyard, Anne-Marie Peterson, executive director of Alberta Farm Animal Care, says the avian flu poses a real threat to your flock.
It is so important for anyone with any amount of chickens to be aware of their role in biosecurity and, possibly transmission, unfortunately, of this disease.
Peterson runs a backyard chicken program where she teaches a section on the avian influenza. She says chicken owners need to take extra precautions to protect their coop.
Really be thoughtful about how they're taking care of those animals and really stepping up the biosecurity protocols. And that means not letting them run loose. That means not letting people into your flock. That means not bringing outside birds in. There's so many different things that you can do to really protect the safety and the health of your animals and all the chickens and the poultry in this province.
In Calgary, Jasmine Vickaryous, City News.